For example, tens, ones. Look here, Nana. How many beads are there in tens place? You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఇచ్చాడు టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో నంబర్ 9 ఇచ్చాడు. So you have to draw 9 beads. 9 beads. You have to draw 9 beads. Okay, children? And then ones place. How many numbers are there? 6. So you have to draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children? Say yes or no? 9, 6. Okay? Look here. Come next one. What is the number? 38. Okay, children? 38. So tens place length ఉంది number 3 ఉంది. So how many beads we will draw? 3. 1, 2, 3. So in ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is that? 8. Okay, children? We have to draw same. Come next. 84. How many tens? 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ones? 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children? Tens, ones. 84. You have to draw beads, Nana. Okay. Say, come next. 43. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 43. Tens, ones. Okay, children? Come next. 27. 27. Tens, ones. 1, 2. In tens place, in ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, children? You have to draw, Nana. Come next. 51. 50. Tens. 1. 72. What is that? 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many ones? 2 ones. 1, 2. 72. Okay, children? Come next page. Page number 25. Okay, Nana? Page number Page number 25. Looking at the place value, write the place value and the number in words. One is done for you. Okay, children? Place value, face value అక్కడ ఇచ్చేసాడు నాన్న. ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? Place value ఉంది, face value ఉంది. What is the place value? 3 tens and 4 ones. What is that? 3 tens and 4 ones. So the face value number is 34. What is that? The face value 34. So you have to write number name, spelling of number 34. 34 అనేది number name రాసేసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా? Have to come. I already 34 there wrote. So next one 5 tens and 1 ones. 5 tens and 1 ones. Okay? The face value what is the face value? 51. Okay, children? So the spelling of number F-I-F T-Y O-N-E. The face value is the spelling of number 51. F-I-F-T-Y-O-N-E. Next one 6 tens. 6 tens and 8 ones. 68. The face value is 68. So the number name is SIXTYEIGHT. 68. So next one 4 tens and 6 ones. 4 tens and 6 ones. So the face value is 46. The spelling of number F-O-R-T-Y-S-I-X. Okay, 46. So 9 tens and 9 ones. 9 tens and 9 ones. So the face value 99. The number name N9NETY N9NE 99. Okay, children? Next one 7 tens and 3 ones. 7 tens and 3 ones. The face value 73. The number name SEVEN The spelling of number TWENTY, TWO. 22. Next one, 8 tens and 4 ones. 8 tens and 4 ones. So the face value 84. Spelling of number 84. Okay children. So next one, 4 tens and 9 ones. 4 tens and 9 ones. The face value 49. The number name FORTY 49. Okay children. So come down, 3 tens, 0 ones. 3 tens zero ones. So the face value 30. The number name THIRTY 30. So 1 tens and 7 ones. 1 tens and 7 ones. The face value 17. Number name SEVENTEN 17. So last one, 0 tens and 9 ones. 0 tens and 9 ones. So the base value 9. Number name 9. Okay children, write on. Next, now to come down. Find the place value. One is learned for you. What is that Nana? అక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? నంబర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. హండ్రెడ్స్, టెన్స్, వన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రైట్ హియర్. రైట్ డౌన్. Come down. Find the place value. Place value. Okay children. So numbers 100, tens, ones. Numbers 100s, tens, ones. Okay children. First of all, numbers we have to write. 359 0 tens. Okay, and 9 ones. Next 400, 7 tens, 5 ones. Okay children. Next 678. Next one 793. Next one 899. Next one 89. Next one 167. In 678, how many hundreds? 600. And tens? 7 tens. Ones? 8 ones. Same. 7 hundreds. 9 tens. 3 ones. 8 hundreds. 9 tens. 9 ones. So here 89. So not 100 place. So only tens and ones. So you have to write only tens place. How many tens? 8. How many ones? 9. And last one 100. 6 tens. 7 ones. Write down Anna. Okay, come next page, page number 26. Additions. You know additions? Good. Already you know additions. Can you place the correct numbers in the given circles? So ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నాయి? బర్డ్స్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా, ఈ బర్డ్స్ ని రెండింటిని కౌంట్ చేయండి. వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ని ఇక్కడ వేయండి. ఓకేనా? యాడ్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ ఇక్కడ వేయాలి. So how many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to also count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next one. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15 plus 10. What is the answer? 5, 2. What is that? 25. You have to write here in circle. Circle lo number 25 అని రాయండి. ఓకేనా? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So in right side of bottles 30. So next slide. Left side also have to count the bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 30 plus 11, what is the answer? 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay children, have to write 41. A circle of 41 and writing. Next one, leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is that? 11. So in right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is that? In left side, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. What is the answer? 22. Right? Write down. Learn and write. First of all, you have to count. Count చేసుకుంటూ రాయండి. ఓకేనా? బర్డ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో కౌంట్ చేయండి. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎన్ని